I was trying to figure out what to do for my last video of 2020, so I thought I'd go ahead and just do a recap. Alright, I just filled up at the gas station. We're getting ready to go do a gig. On my way to pick up Art, we're gonna go do a wedding. I'm gonna do the interpretation of the ceremony.
Only for you, buddy.
Every day for all of this life.
En solo unos momentos pronunciarán.
I gotta do that. Art's killing it. Yeah, today is the day that NAMM starts. So I'm in here real early this morning. Marlo just showed up. He's behind me. Okay, so we've got, if I can get a shot of it. Hey Brian.
Hey.
What's that?
Oh, just a little light.
All right. What's it do?
Just walk around with it. No.
Yeah. We're at the yacht club tonight. We're having a glow party. This is the chill lounge, and you kind of get a vibe of what's going on. Everybody's just kind of hanging out. This guy is taking a nap because he's tired. This guy's over here jamming the tunes.
What's up, Mr. Brian?
What's up, man?
What's going on? What's going on?
The chill lounge video. We got. Oh no! It's Richard Bates.
What's up, Pete?
He's hanging out on the decks. We got people hanging out over here. We got Mr. Mike Sanchez.
How you guys doing?
We got my kid. Whoever the hell that guy is. There's Jay. Probably talking to somebody really important.
Who are you talking to?
I'm talking to you.
Oh, awesome.
Hey guys, I've talked about the virtual chill room that DJN TV is sponsoring for us. Just a place to get away.
Hey, what's up, everybody? This is the place to be. Blow off some steam.
Hi, I'm Howie Derkser.
Look at this guy.
Hi, everyone. Brian Hetshaw here.
There's
Nice.
Brian K. Look, it's Dad.
Hi. So this is kind of our dojo that we've been hanging out in.
Feel free to come in, ask questions, talk to us like real people.
So I've been laying in bed pretending I'm rich, and I got a really bad idea. There's no second take on this. I've never done this before. What's going on back there? How's it look? And I'm going to my first wedding of the season, also my very first event since this whole COVID-19 thing broke out.
Robert, as you place this ring on Kayla's finger, please repeat after me.
Alright, so I'm parked down there, and this is this campground complex. With the wedding party coming in, the musicians will take over. I got my mask on.
As a symbol of my love and devotion to you.
I pledge to you all that I am.
Kids, don't try this at home. Yeah, so it's on the rack. They're working it out. Should be done pretty soon. It is straight as an arrow. Nice straight wheel. Feels great. And yeah, some are wearing masks, most aren't. But I have one on, so there's that.
So here we are in the middle of nowhere, where I grew up. And where my dad was from the time he was 12. The middle of nowhere. Isn't it great we didn't stay here? Hi, daddy face. Woo! This is fun.
A lot of that earlier stuff in the video happened in January and February. It seems like it was like years ago, but it wasn't. It was the beginning of this year. Which, by the way, I want to go ahead and leave this year in the past where it belongs and look forward to a happy, healthy, and prosperous 2021 for all of us, where we all have opportunities. Not just some of us, but all of us, and we're a little bit nicer to each other this time around. So, no matter what this next year brings, let's hope it's better than this one. So, anyway, that's it, guys. We'll see you on the other side. Take care, practice, and enjoy.